kitchen, peace remains. Hands at work, a gentle smile, every moment slowing time. Simple meals, a heart so true, love in everything we do. From the pot to home's embrace, comfort found in this small space. Welcome home to Monix Kitchen and Lifestyle, where the world feels soft and light. Every flavor tells a story, every day feels warm and right. Breathe it in, let worries rest. Here the simple things are best. Steam rises with a tender glow, lessons life is teaching slow. Not just food, but care and grace, joy in every gentle pace. No rush here, no need to pretend, just honest moments we all send. A place where hearts and homes align, peace served warm, one plate at a time. Welcome home to Monix Kitchen and Lifestyle, where love lives in what we make. Little joys and quiet laughter shared in every step we take. Stay a while, you're not alone. This kitchen feels just like home. If the day feels heavy, come inside. Let calm and kindness be your guide. In the hush of stirring spoons, healing hymns, a gentle tune. This is Monix Kitchen and Lifestyle, a rhythm slow, a soul's release. Simple living, honest moments, wrapped in warmth, wrapped in peace. Welcome home, Monix Kitchen and Lifestyle. Morning light through the window pane, a quiet kitchen, peace remains. Hands at work, a gentle smile, every moment slowing time. so true.